beautiful, extraordinary, kind with heart and cute with smile, females, and handsome, dashing, huge and high spirit males. Today we all have massed here with Maxim to gain social or political, scientific, holistic, sports, films, award, reward, goal, success, etc., etc., etc. My name is Harsha, and this is my third oration on the subject Roar, it's possible. Yes, it is possible. This oration is purely and exclusively regarding the strategies to gain, to roar, to achieve your goal, target, success, etc. So, first of all, I would like to say that you have to set a goal. You have to decide which goal you want to achieve. What is your success? Where you want to reach? And mainly, it must be the realistic one and achievable too. For example, if you say you want to be a bird, or you say that you want to be a tree or an ocean, all these achievements, targets are non-realistic and unachievable. So set a goal which is realistic and achievable. Secondly, looking at hurdles, difficulties, problems on the way to your target, to your goal. Never turn back. A person who is having a goal can never look at any such things. Target or goal is not nearby to you. It is not on left side or right side of yours. It's very, very far. And so, problems, difficulties are sure to come on the way to your goal. Thirdly, you must think positively. It is very, very important to reach to your target. You always be positive that you are going to achieve or you want to achieve this goal or target. Always be positive. Next thing, I would say that you must establish regular and routine exercises, that is meditation, prayers, yoga, etc. Because all these exercises are very, very important to make you a disciplined person for your task. Also, prayers, yoga, and meditation gives you extra strength in your body and a lot of freshness inside you, and it is very important factor to achieve your goal. Another thing I would like to say is that you must share with your related people that what you are trying to accomplish, what you are trying to achieve, so that way you can seek a help from your loved one people. Same way, you also disclose that in the past you tried a lot to achieve your goal, but what were the drawbacks due to which you could not achieve your target, reach to your goal. Another thing I would say is that never keep quiet, never pay attention to options or distractions. It will deter your mind from your target. Next thing is that suppose, if at all, you are reaching to your target, you must reward yourself. You must make your soul happy. You must make yourself happy even if you like to have a tour. One more thing, if at all you are reaching to your target, be a generous and gracious and help to those people who are trying to achieve their goal, finding it difficult and still having efforts to reach. Help them for their betterment. One more thing I would say that to achieve a goal, it doesn't mean that you have to live just a happy life. Happy life means it is only a well lived life. It is just a byproduct of happy living. For example, if a person is sitting in well-known, extraordinary bar or hotel and having a very expensive drink with nuts and wafers and sitting in a king style, do you think it means he has achieved a goal? Not at all. To achieve a goal is not at all so nearby. Goal is always very, very far from you. It is like achieving or reaching to a sun, moon, and stars. So, thinking that you are known to only your related people or you are known among your friends or you have competition with your neighbors, doesn't mean that you have reached to a goal. Happy life means it must be of a particular remarkable standard. Then only it could be a goal. When you are living a happy life, you are known to only a few persons. You are not at all known among the world. To achieve a goal, it means you are creating a special place in the heart of each and every person without paying any rent. Yes, even children, old people know about a person who is achieving a goal. So, achieving a goal, target, success brings an extraordinary, remarkable status to you. It's very important to understand what is goal, and that is the place where you have to